Bore da, croeso pawb. Morning, welcome everybody. By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I would like to invite our Acting Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Professor Martin Stegel, to speak to you. Please be seated.
Bore da, ich gyd, croeso i'r Brifysgol de Cymru. Good morning everyone, welcome to the University of South Wales and to this, our graduation ceremony. Here in the city of Newport, our roots were laid down in 1841, an institution set up by industry to raise aspiration and bring education to workers in the region. We are, of course, long past those founding moments, but much of the vision set almost 200 years ago remains today. Our university is proud that it works in partnership with business, industry and the public sector, preparing people for work and future careers that we hope will allow individuals to reach the heights of their talent. And as I look at you all here today, looking absolutely fantastic in your gowns, and so happy to have reached this point of celebration, I don't see a crowd. I see individuals, distinctive people with their own character and reasons for being here. Some of you will have joined us straight from school or college, others already in work and wanting to upskill, and there are those of you that have taken the brave step to move your lives from another country. And for some of you, this may not be the end of your journey with us. Recently, I spoke to an alumnus of the university who had completed 6 degrees with us. So be careful. We can be a very, very difficult place to leave. What I also see in every graduation ceremony is talent and opportunity. We live in a complex world that isn't always easy to navigate. We also live in a world that evidently needs to change. We need people who can effect positive and real change, people who are not satisfied with things as they are. You will need to face the future courageously, to challenge and innovate, be inclusive and work within your communities to create a society which is more equal without doing damage to our environment or the well-being of others. The world expects so much more from you as graduates, and I know that seems like a big ask. That doesn't mean we are asking you to single-handedly change the world. You can be that change in your chosen profession, be that in your hospital, your school, your company, or your immediate team. Big change is usually an aggregate of small ones. We have a proverb in Wales which derives from the legends of the always get this one wrong, Mabinogion, the story of Branwen, Afo Ben Bin Bont. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. You will have been that bridge. You will have inspired one another, listened to each other, cajoled each other to reach heights not possible alone. I also know that many of you will have created memories and friendships that will last a lifetime. As I welcome you today to our community of graduates, I would like to remind you that in any good community, we draw on others for support, to challenge us when we aren't doing the right thing, to guide and advise us on making difficult decisions, and to make us feel like we belong. I like to think that at the University of South Wales, underpinned by our values of being professional, inspiring, creative, responsive and collaborative, that our intentions as a community are good, to help you change your life and our world for the better. And we hope that we have given you the knowledge, skills and resilience to do just that. Life is not straightforward and we all have bumps in the road. So, as well as having the talent and passion to pursue your dreams, be pragmatic enough to give yourself a break. Don't fret too much when things don't go as planned. Take a breath, draw on your intellect, and then reflect before trying again. It's just a moment in your life and career. And today is an important moment in your life. Today we celebrate your achievements. During your time at USW, you've been part of a faculty where students have explored the world from rainforests and coral reefs of Belize, pushed the boundaries of flight and aircraft design, built new connections with global technology communities, and helped place USW among the leading university rocketry teams in the United Kingdom. From award-winning aeronautical engineering and national success for the Rocketry Society to the launch of Wales's first Google Developer Groups on Campus chapter, these achievements show the energy, curiosity and ambition that run through this community. They are also a reminder that the work you have done here matters to industry, to science, to technology, to our environment, and to the future you will now help to shape. Your job today is to feel proud of yourself, to look fabulous, and to take lots of photographs and maybe even shed a tear or two. To help in that, I also have an ask of everyone sitting behind you. Your job is to make sure that whenever your family member or friend walks across that stage, they are in no doubt of how proud you are of them. You can do that in any way you want, by clapping loudly, by shouting their name, by whistling or whooping. All are legitimate, in fact, absolutely required. But before we celebrate you, I want to pause and recognise something very important. No one reaches a day like this entirely on their own. Behind every graduand here today, there will be people who have helped make this moment possible. For many of you, that support will have come from families and friends who have stood beside you through the highs and difficult days. They may have supported you financially, morally, spiritually, or simply by believing in you when you needed it most. They have made sacrifices, offered encouragement, listened with patience, and reminded you why this journey mattered. So today is also their day. It is a day for those who have travelled alongside you, proudly and lovingly, and who share the joy of seeing you reach this stage. I also want to recognise the people of the University of South Wales who have supported your journey. Here on stage and across the campuses, our academic colleagues bring innovative, industry-relevant and career-focused teaching into your courses, helping you to connect knowledge with practice and ambition with opportunity. And alongside them are our professional services colleagues, whose work is sometimes less visible but absolutely essential. They support students, care for our campuses, keep our services running, and help create the student experience that allows learning, belonging, and success to happen. To all of those colleagues, academic and professional services alike, thank you for the part you have played in helping our graduands reach this proud moment. Graduands, I'm now going to ask you to do something. If you are able, please stand. Please look around this room and show your appreciation for the families, friends, teachers and professional services staff who have helped you reach this day. Let us give them the applause they so richly deserve. Thank you, graduands. Please be seated. And so, in closing, as you walk across the stage here today and collect your award and doff your hat to the Pro-Chancellor, I want you to hold one word at the forefront of your mind. Pride, in Welsh, balchta. Be proud of your achievement. Be proud of your potential for great things. Be proud of yourself and who you are, and not who others want you to be. You will always be part of the University of South Wales family. We are, and always will be, very proud of each and every one of you. Jock and Val, thank you very much.
Graddio iddo fod yn hysbys i aelodau brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol yn cynhelu llechiaid o Brifysgol Di Cymru yn Ninas Casnewydd a y dyddiad dydd a 10 o Gorffennaf 2026. Heddiw, ymwydethion ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy y diliasrwydd a hymdrech ysgolheigiaid eu bwyd yn gymaint i gael ei derbyn ar gyfer grafiau ac ymesterau brifysgol. Drwy anwydethu a cyrraedd gydag i reini sydd ddim yn bresennol gydnabod a hymwiriad a dathu a chwydant. Bysodon ni'n gobeithio i'n disgwyliadau ydynt gan obeithio y bwydynt yn rhoi y talentau disg, gebon eu proffesiwn a'n cymunedau, y deryn y bwydynt y cynffranu a ffododdol yn cymdeithias gydag anwydethiad a clod.
Let it be known by members of the university and all here present that the congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 13th day of July 2026. Today we honor scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualification of the university. In honoring their achievement, let all here present recognize their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honor and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present the congregation the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy. Alan O'Neill, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Improving Entity-Based Information Retrieval and Video. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Ian Wilson and Professor Andrew Ware, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. Lucy Oram, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Biorefining Sewage for Energy and Green Chemicals. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Alan Gooey, Dr. Jamie Masanow-Nicolau and Dr. Rhys Jones, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science, in collaboration with Dŵr Cymru. The Master of Science by Research, Moteza Samadi, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Numerical Simulation of the Effect of Inlet Velocity on Cavitation Phenomena in External Hydraulic Gear Pumps. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Jao Ramos Mohammed and Dr. Jeeping Bai, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. Ian Beggs, in recognition of a programme of work entitled The Breeding Ecology of the Northern Whiteweir on Stockholm Island. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. David Lee, Dr. Jeremy Smith and Andrew Jones, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. The Master of Science in Advanced Computer Science, Faisal Ahmed. Mirza Baig. Foyez Nishan. Mohammed Salahin. The Master of Science in Applied Cybersecurity, John Ademola Akinola. Muna Bhattacharjee. Philip Chukwuchekere. Anthony Elogu. Fabian Innocent. Mohammed Islam. Baba Janjua. Mohammed Khan. Basil Kunjumon. Jishnudas Manikandan. Youssef Mia. Chinelo Nakkuchu. Merit Osifu. Anna Shaji. Ashraful Sean. Sami Ula. The Master of Science in Computer Science, Fahad Asan. Mohammed Bouia. Muhammad Riaz. The Master of Science in Computing and Information Systems, Emanuela Abba. Abdullah. Chidibera Annika. Usama Asghar. Febisara Awogan. Kamsi Chukwuma. Adnan Gul. Muhammad Hamid. Muhammad Iqbal. Sharon Korir. Niloy Saha. Adi Milula Shonibari. Mercy Taras. The Master of Science in Cybersecurity, Risk and Resilience, Ilariaro Akinlabi. Good luck, Anna Sonia. Sonia Bonnie. Noble Daniels. Michael Ilade. Augustus Nwan-Wuna. Albert Sebin Palin. Ponmala Thenarasu. Jordan Witz. The Master of Science in Data Science, Ashar Rahman. The Master of Science in Digital Forensics, Jordan Perry. Lauren Young. The Master of Science in Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Mohammed Adil. Miran Afzal. Faisal Ahmed. Ishra Anjum. Isaiah Arthur. Muhammad Awais. Muhammad Azad. Muhammad Ijaz. Pfizer. Mahesh Gadi. Meghas Hari. Jahid Hassan. Muhammad Hassan. Humna Ishtiaq. Saiful Islam. Naimul Islam. Nancy Jelimo. Jaiban Saji. Muhammad Kashif. Shiza Khan. Chidindu Nwata Rocha. Timothy Oyedeji. Annie Pereira. Rahima Raki. Forum Ramani. Muhammad Safraz. Muhammad Shamia. Amo Shohag. Muhammad Tanvir. The Master of Science in Wildlife and Conservation Management, Joshua Barrick. Morgan Halley. The postgraduate diploma in advanced computer science, Muhammad Usama. The Bachelor of Science in Animal Health and Welfare, Coleg Gwent Usk, Kelly Ann Austin. Luke Davies. Shannon Knight. Katie Lewis. Theon Lewis. Amy Mullett. Lily Rose Richardson. Connor Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Applied Computing, Kelvin Ajabo. Wyatt Barton. Liam Bainon. Aditha Biju. Indiana Griffiths. Casey Guyang. Ben Con Partington. Amy Morgan. Keelan Morgan Smith. Habib Mufutau. Akil Narayanan. Paul Okanlawan. Samuel Olafinsowe. Andre Ribeiro. Abdusalam Sanusi. Mark Tuta. Uchenna Uba. Elijah Yeoman. The Bachelor of Science in Applied Cybersecurity, Jamal Ahmed. Naveed Akhtar. Mohammed Al-Aisri. Sohaib Al-Aswani. Wael Ali. Benjamin Baker. Imran Bashir. Tom Buckley. Blair Button. Adam Canning. Tidine Charlie. Ashley Corrie. Nathan Corrie. Kelvin Emmanuel. Fedi Fahmy Hakim. Daniel Georgiev. Kavishka Gomara Mudiyansilagai. William Gray. Mohammed Hussain. Mohammed Sazad Hussain. Eloise Hoekman. Mohammed Islam. Davy Johnston. Connor Jones. George Jones. Mustafa Kirazli. Yasirajith Arichigay. Rehan Latif. Reese Maddox. Mazia Meliani. Dragomir Nikolic. Joseph Paulusland. Yayan Probert. Musamed Rahman. Thanusan Suhuma. Nima Tamitsi. Samuel Walker. Yestin Ward Powell. Thomas Washburn. Lewis Wilkins. Ross Wills. The Bachelor of Science in Biology, Chloe Boyle. Jack Daniels. Caitlin Evans. Alfie Horax. Natasha Slark.
Rwy'n newn ni nawr glywed ddatganiad cyddylol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhaeniol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We will now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llun gyfarchiadau.
Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Science, Babajide Adekoya. Ashma Ahmed. Zainab Aidid. Ilyas Ben-Kirani. Malika Dujuma. Kyriaki Amayenos. Mustafa Frindi. Hani Ghazi. Donna Harvey. Jarin Jania. Thurshaf Jayakanthan. Omar Jibril. Dak Kwak Niall. Shamika Maduma Ralagay. Kafayat Makanjuola. Rahan Mankur. Asra Muhammad. Ella Mugford. Lucy O'Connell. Caitlin Rabbits. Mahisha Raman. Caroline Rees. Emma Rennie. Harrison Rossier. Sanuri Senevivratna. Sugavan Shanmuganathan. Sally Suleiman. Honorine Umutoni Wasi. The Bachelor of Science in Computer Forensics, Harleen Chowdhury. Bonnie Connor. Joshua Dodd. Charlotte Edmonds. Stephen Gray. Ethan Hunt. Megan Lloyd. Harrison Phipps. Calum Podmore. Ryan Smalden. The Bachelor of Science in Computer Games Development, Jacob Champion. Finlay Daly. William Davies. Corey Dutfield. Sebastian Ha. Nathan Kwan. William Lucy. Kane Morris. Matthew Pope. Ben Richards. Holly Shake Chef. Warrawut Silskutsi Papson. The Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Raphael Awala. Alex Baker. Kira Brigham. Mel Bumate. Parmveer Chauhan. Efayanji Ejimofo. Emad Ezzedine. Abdul Qadir Faisal. Pradeep Fernando. Muhammad Tasneem Hassan. Meherab Hassan. Youssef Idris. Abbas Khan. Zion Lin. David Mambule. Nyasha Mungombe. Kazi Rahman. Phil Reddy. Thomas Renaudin. Alfie Richards. Oliver Sainsbury Morris. Yusuf Saab Kaya. Shah Shahrial. Varun Suresh Raju. Muniradzi Tonje. The Bachelor of Science in Computer Security, Ayan Abdi. Zain Ahmed. Chloe Duggan. Rhys Howells. Agnieszka Nowak. Cameron Pask. Max Topa. The Bachelor of Science in Computing, Jack Bates. Serena Corbin. Thomas Cox. Ewan Davies. Lowry Lewis. Frederick Lloyd. Zemzem Mohammed. Sanath Natha Virantha Legay. The Bachelor of Science in Digital and Technology Solutions, Hannah Imilchuk. Morgan Germain. Luke Mitchell. Samuel Sherritt. Pro-Chancellor, the next award is given posthumously. Would the congregation please stand? Posthumous awards are a very special recognition of achievement, just as all our other graduates have received today, but also a very special act of remembrance for family and friends. So I ask that when I present this award, all graduates, colleagues and guests, family and friends absolutely take the roof off this place to recognise the achievement that we are celebrating today. The Bachelor of Science in Digital and Technology Solutions, Nicole Tasha. Would the congregation please sit? The Bachelor of Science in Digital and Technology Solutions, Cyber Security. Ben Hope. Leighton Johnson. Morgan Kershaw. Ian Phillips. Connor Richards. Ariel Toku Yalu. The Bachelor of Science in Digital and Technology Solutions, Data Science, Benjamin Salia. Carly Rees. The Bachelor of Science in Information Communication Technology, Adishawar Sani. Mohammed Shafi. Andrew Wilson. The Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, Juliana Watts. The Bachelor of Science in Medical Sciences, Kira Collicott. Aled Crane. Olivia Davies. Ava Grant. Caitlin Haas. Mitchell McCarthy. Grace McFarland. Medila Pradeep Nair. Sophie-Anne Pym. Alexandra Slater. Annabelle Towes. Mia Villani. Kavya Weerasuriya. The Bachelor of Science in Medicinal and Biological Chemistry, Chalissa Chow. Sanjeed Hassan. Ellie Thomas. The Bachelor of Science in Pharmaceutical Science, Inaya Alam. Nicole Davies. Rhys Davies. Tanny Jones. Ravindu Marissa Badlagay. Dempel Ramaya Kunar. Neo Samut. Rhiannon Weston Smith. The Bachelor of Science in Veterinary Nursing, Coleg Gwent Usk, Lauren Barcham. Adele Bryan. Harriet Costin. Georgina Haycock. Lauren Morris. Victoria Thomas. The Bachelor of Science in Wildlife Ecology and Conservation, Caleb Bauscher. William Cope. Morgan Griffiths. Ermi Hirani. Erdil Kalfaoglu. Lauren Ming. Winnet Muzikavanu. Leonie Padden. Connor Plummer Collum. Ye Sharani Ravichandran. The Foundation Degree in Science and Animal Health and Welfare, Coleg Gwent Usk, Mark Avery. Maria Bennett. The Foundation Degree in Science and Information Communication Technology, Coleg Cymraith, Istrad Minec. Magno Angelo de Brito. Lucas Collins. Sam Evans. Leslie Price. The Foundation Degree in Science in Veterinary Nursing, Coleg Gwent Usk, Molly Bath. Isabella Baxter. Gabrielle Bennett. Emily Bevan. Dylan Coolman. Rebecca Derrick. Laura Edwards. Lauren Evans. Lauren Hawksby. Kayla Hicks. Megan Jones. Iona Mackenzie. Kyra Payne. Charlotte Pierce. Sophia Roden. Heather Rogers. Nia Taylor. Jessica Warren. Higher National Diploma in Computing, Coleg Gwent Newport, Mohammed Miram. Ria Woodman. Higher National Diploma in Cyber and Information Security, Coleg Gwent Blenau Gwent Learning Zone, Adam Cashmore. Alistair Johnston. Liam Jones. Joshua Morgan. Jordan Thomas. Henry Waring. Bachelor of Science in Applied Computer Science, Joseph Chukua. The Bachelor of Science in Applied Cybersecurity, Ibrahim Sise. The Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Mohammed Faisal Hussain. The Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Science, Nazar Fagir. The Master of Science in Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Faisal Kayam. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. I would like to invite Hannah from the Royal College of Veterinary Surgeons to lead the declaration.
Thank you. It is a great pleasure and honour to be with you here today, celebrating your graduation, leading you through your declaration to join the RCVS Register of Veterinary Nurses and admitting you as an associate member of the college. The title of veterinary nurse is one to be proud of. Although veterinary nursing is a relatively young profession, it has come a long way since the original scheme of Registered Animal Nursing Auxiliaries, RANAs, was introduced back in 1961. You are joining our profession during an unprecedented period of positive change and growth. Please be proactive and engage with our profession. Be the catalyst of the changes you want and instrumental in shaping our future. Anything is possible. The work you have undertaken to get here today should not be underestimated. Along the way, you have passed numerous examinations, assignments, OSCEs, and completed the RCVS Day 1 skills for veterinary nurses. This is truly outstanding, and you should be extremely proud. Now it is time to reap the rewards and savour the results of all that hard work. Today is a momentous day. With your admission to the RCVS Register of Veterinary Nursing, allowing you to legally practice as a veterinary nurse, abiding by the VN Code of Professional Conduct as an accountable professional. As veterinary nurses, you're an essential part of the veterinary team, working alongside your colleagues to ensure the health and welfare of your patients. You will make a positive difference on every shift you work. Do not forget that. I will now ask you to make the declaration. Please stand and repeat as a group each line after me. I promise and solemnly declare that I will pursue the work of my profession with integrity and accept my responsibilities. To the public, my clients, the profession, and the Royal College of Veterinary Surgeons. And that above all, my constant endeavour will be to ensure the health and welfare of animals committed to my care. In the name of the Council of the Royal College of Veterinary Surgeons, and by the virtue of the power conferred upon them by the Royal Charter and by Act of Parliament, I do hereby admit you as associates of the said Royal College, and by the power to confer upon you the right to be styled registered veterinary nurses, and to be known and deemed and recognised henceforth as duly qualified members of the veterinary nursing profession. I congratulate you all on becoming qualified registered veterinary nurses and wish you satisfying and challenging careers.
Well done. Congratulations. Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and graduates. This is my favourite bit of being involved with the university is the graduations. And this is my favourite graduation ceremony that I've been to so far this week. It is, those of you who pay attention will work out it's actually the first one. But I think you've set a very, very high standard, so well done, brilliant. And congratulations and well done to you all once again. Graduation's about a lot more than just this academic ceremony. It's a celebration of all the things that you've put in over the past year or few years, and it's a promise about what comes next. And today is a significant milestone, as colleagues have said, in your lives. Our Deputy Vice-Chancellor has already asked you to do this, but I'm going to ask you to do it again just because you can never thank too many people too much of the time. So to the parents, partners, families and friends in this audience, it's your day too. You've offered encouragement during late night sessions, reassurance and support throughout their journey. So graduates, if we could thank the members of your family and friends behind you. The other group is represented by my colleagues on the stage behind me. This is, as I said, just not a high point for me, but a high point for us all in terms of the university year. So I would like you also to pay tribute to the thousands of staff members at this remarkable university who've taught, mentored, support Fred and counselling on the case. But let's be honest, this day is mainly about you, our new graduates. So you've achieved something extraordinary. You've mastered your subjects. You've developed the ability to think critically, to challenge assumptions, engage with complex issues in a spirit of respect and curiosity. Those are timeless skills, not just for the careers you might be going to or the next piece of study, but for life. And we're proud that the education you've received here is also highly valued by the workplace and by employers. But more than that, we're proud of the way in which that education can transform lives, your lives, and the communities you will go on to serve. At the University of South Wales, we believe in nurturing not just skilled professionals, but thoughtful and engaged citizens. And as you step into the next chapter of your lives, we hope you carry with you the values of integrity, inquiry, and compassion. You are now alumni of our university, and as that, you are ambassadors for us and for the ideals we stand for. Wherever your journey takes you, we hope you'll stay connected, continue to grow, and inspire others in the same way that you have inspired all of us. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Our warmest wishes go with you for your continued success and happiness. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. For those who can stand, please stand for the national anthem.